Today we are going to discuss about what? Cell theory. Cell theory was proposed by Schleiden and Schwann. These scientists' names are both scientists, two scientists, Matthews Schleiden and Theodor Schwann. Matthews Schleiden is a botanist, Theodor Schwann and he was a zoologist. Both are combined and given what cell theory. What is cell theory? What they given about cell theory? Cell theory means what? All living organisms are composed of cell. All living organisms are made up of cells. All living organisms are composed of one cell or multi cells. For example, amoeba, single cell. The total body of made up of only one cell. And unicellular organism, multicellular organism. Some organisms body made up of multi cells. The first point, all living organisms are composed of cell, that is one cell or multi cells. Next one, second point, cells are the basic unit of life. What is the meaning of basic unit of life? Basic unit of life means even unicellular or multicellular organisms starts with their life starts with what? Single cell. Their life starts with single cell. How can you say? Already we learned about that one. Unicellular or multicellular life starts with single cell. So that they are called cell is the basic unit of life. That means our life starts with single cell. Sorry. Our unicellular life starts with single cell. Everybody's life starts with single cell only. Even unicellular, even multicellular life starts with single cell. Okay, that is the second point. The first point is all living organisms are composed of cells, one cell or multi cells. Our second point is what? All cells are the basic unit of life. That means our life starts with what? Single cell. That is sperm and ovum. Now, third point is new cells are arise from pre-existing cells. New cells are arise from pre-existing cells. What is that meaning? Third point. First point is all organisms are made up of cells. Second point is cell is the basic unit of life. Our life starts with cell. Third point is what? Cells are arise from pre-existing cells. What is that one? New cells are arise. For example, my skin is removed in this region. My skin is removed. So removed. This part is removed. Whatever rounded part, this part is removed. After few days, maybe 10 to 15 days, we are observed. This skin is covered with new skin. Wherever skin is removed, that part is covered with new skin. How it is possible? How it is possible means, here around wherever I am injured, around some more cells is there. These cells divided forms new cells, divided forms new cells. So that what will be happen after few days, it will be covered with new skin. Cells arise from pre-existing cells. Pre-existing means before cells. Whatever already existing. Okay, for example, what is third point? Cells arise from pre-existing cells. For example, this is my hand. In that, the skin part is removed. This part is removed. What happened here? That means my hand is made up of cells. Okay, example. My hand is made up of cells. These are what? Cells. Cells. Which cells? Already existing cells. What happened? Around, say, new cells arise from pre-existing cell. This cell divided from new cell. This cell divided from new cell. This cell divided from new cell. New cell. Just when we are injured, we are observed. Slowly it is covered with new organ, new skin. That means after few days it is covered with new cells. New cells are arise from where? These pre-existing cells. Try to understand the concept. Okay, this is about cell theory.